Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and to the 2-Minute Tuesday Tip. My name is Daniel Ackerman. I'm a realtor with the Queens Home Team with Keller Williams in New York City. I serve Manhattan, Queens, and Brooklyn, helping sellers, buyers, and investors in real estate with knowledge, integrity, and professionalism. And this is the 2-Minute Tuesday Tip, where I go over one tip for homeowners, buyers, or sellers in about 2 minutes or less. So this week the tip is learn about the return on investment before you start home renovations. So one of the things that I often see is that a new homeowner or a person who recently bought a home wants to do, let's say, a renovation, renovate the kitchen, or maybe a person who's lived in a home for a long time. It's been 10 years and the house just needs freshening up, and they decide to do renovations. And people will go all out and do like a huge renovation, the top-notch kitchen, crazy luxurious bathroom, spa-style bathroom, crazy expensive wood floors and all kinds of detail work. And that's great if you're not worried at all about how much it's going to cost and what you might get for it on, when you eventually sell. Great, do it. But if you're worried, or if it's at least in your mind that you get a return on your investment, when you do eventually sell your property, then please do your research. Don't go overboard. And this is something that I actually give a lot of advice on to my clients. So former clients who have purchased a home, people who are hoping to sell, I often give my input on what I think they should focus on and where they should focus their money, because I'm familiar with the sale prices and what people can get for their property, assuming certain renovations and not. And when you know the difference between the sale price of a renovated property and the sale price of an unrenovated property, that gives you your renovation budget. So you don't want to exceed that, because then you're just spending money that you're not going to get back. For sure, kitchens are always the top room, followed by bathrooms. Hardwood floors are always great, but finishes matter a lot, and you can get a lot of bang for your buck without spending crazy amounts of money. So that's the 2-Minute Tuesday tip for this week, is know your return on investment on your renovations before you start. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone that you know if you think they can use it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, and you'll get notifications of all my new content. My name is Daniel Ackerman, realtor with Queens Home Team at Keller Williams. Thanks for watching.